In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add community elements in the Wix editor. To get started, open the Wix editor using the Chrome browser. Using Chrome helps ensure the editor loads smoothly and that all the available design tools and menus display the way they're supposed to. Once the editor is open, give the page a moment to fully load so everything is responsive and easy to work with before moving on. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar inside the Wix editor. This is where you'll find many of the core tools used to build and customize your site. On that sidebar, click the plus icon labeled Add Elements. This section is where Wix stores a wide range of content blocks, layout tools, decorative features, and interactive components that you can place on your website. After you click Add Elements, a panel will open with different categories you can browse through. These categories help organize the available elements so you can quickly locate the feature you want to add without searching through everything manually. Take a moment to look through the list and find the community category in the interactive section. Once you see community, select it from the category list. This area includes elements designed to help visitors connect, engage, and participate more actively on your website. Choosing the community category is the key step that brings up the community-related options available for your site, so you can continue building a more interactive experience from there. As you work in the editor, it's always a good idea to move carefully and make sure you're selecting the correct category from the sidebar panel. If the list feels crowded, just scroll slowly and keep your focus on the category names. Wix organizes these tools clearly, so once you're in the right section, it becomes much easier to continue with your site setup. That's all you need to do for this part of the process. You've opened the Wix editor in Chrome, accessed the Add Elements menu from the left sidebar, and selected Community from the interactive category list. With that done, you're now in the right place to start adding community-focused features to your site in a clean and organized way.